Hi, my name is Salli. Welcome back to Technic channel. Today we are going to show you how to install and even clean the Intex Easy Set Pool. This Intex has a diameter of 6 feet and it's 1 feet height. As you can see, it has a capacity of 232 gallons. We also have some warnings here especially for the kids. Turning the box around, we can find some more information about our swimming pool. We can see that it's made in China and warranty it's only 90 days. Despite what the box says, the installation requires not more than one person. The unboxing and installation will be done today by Nick, but I will lead with the instructions. Now we are going to open the box and see what's inside. This is one of the cheapest swimming pools that you can set it by yourself. Also stick to the end to see how we clean this with no cost at all. As we don't have a water pump, we will show you how to clean the bottom of the pool without one. So let's open the box now. So we have some instructions here. It comes with 3 black plugs for the strainer holes and 1 white drain connector. We will need those later when we will install the swimming pool. We will try to take it out now. So we found another instruction book inside. Let's try to stretch it on the floor. As you see, it has a perfect blue water color. The ring it's white, so it may get dirty very easy. The quality should be pretty good, as it is built from 3 layers. The holes for the pump look a bit bended, but as we aren't going to use one, we don't care that much. Looks like we can't do nothing about this. Now we'll have to find a spot for it. First we'll be preparing the ground. We have to chop all this grass and make a perfect flat surface. If you have a perfect lawn, you won't need to do this. It's essential for the surface to be as flat as possible. Also try to remove all the rocks you can find and other stuff that can punch through your pool. Now that you have cleaned the surface, measure it to be sure that the swimming pool will fit. So the size is 6 feet, we will now mark the middle at 3 feet. This should be our middle of the pool. Now measure from the other side and see if we have enough space. Just center the middle at 3 feet and you should be okay. We had to improvise as we were not going to spend extra money on a Intex carpet that has the price of our pool. We had stretched the pool and now we are verifying the drain cap. This has to be perfect closed or you could lose water. This is the valve to inflate the circle. If you have strong lungs, you don't really need a pump for this. We will put the two plugs to cover the holes. We've got 3 strainers plugs that are also bended a bit. This is the white drain connector. We will need this just if we want to drain the pool. We are going to insert the plugs now. Note that it should be done from the interior of the pool. Try to push them as much as possible. This will ensure that you won't be losing any water. So now that we also inflated the circle, the pool should be stretched. Also, we pushed the strainer's plug. Stretch it as much as possible. Now put a very low level of water and stretch perfectly, because you won't be able to do this later. We also added a new layer between the foil and the pool. We used some laminate flooring underlay for this. This will create a smooth surface under the pool. Unfortunately, the rain blocked us from filling the swimming pool. This was going perfect until the rain started. As you can see, the pool got a bit dirty and so the water. We have all these little green grapes that fell in the pool. Also, the exterior of the pool got very dirty. It wasn't a very good idea to place it under the grapes vine. Now we will show you how to clean the pool. With a tea strainer you can clean the surface very easy. Just take your time and pick everything that's floating on the surface. For the bottom of the pool, just use a small hose. It will act as a vacuum and pick up the dirt from the bottom. Now that we've finished cleaning, it's time to refill the pool. This will take some time, so be sure to be close when it reaches the circle. Hope you stayed to the end and enjoyed our video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the commentary. We also like to thank you all so much for subscribing and supporting this channel.